You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this medical instrument. If you want to learn more medical terms also from anatomy, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, more vocabulary that is confusing. Plethysmograph, English pronunciation. Let's break it down. Plethysmograph. Stress on the thes syllable. English pronunciation. How to pronounce plethysmograph. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.